Sushi, a culinary journey through Japan. Konnichiwa. Welcome back to Taste of Culture. Today, we are taking you on a culinary journey through Japan to explore the history, art, and techniques of sushi. Join us as we dive into the origins of sushi, the different types of sushi, and the meticulous techniques used in its preparation. Originally, sushi was a method of preserving fish by fermenting it with rice. Let's explore the different regions of Japan and how their unique sushi styles developed. There are several types of sushi, each with its distinct characteristics. Some of the most popular types include Nigiri, hand-pressed sushi with a slice of raw fish or seafood on top of a small bed of rice. Sashimi, thinly sliced raw fish or seafood served without rice. Maki, rolled sushi with rice, fish, and other ingredients wrapped in seaweed, nori. Temaki, hand-rolled sushi cones filled with rice, fish, and other ingredients. Sushi chefs, known as edamame, undergo years of training to master the art of sushi making. Key techniques include preparing sushi rice. The rice is seasoned with a mixture of vinegar, sugar, and salt, giving it a unique flavor and texture. Slicing fish. Edamame use specialized knives to expertly slice fish and seafood for sushi. Assembling sushi. Precision and attention to detail are crucial when assembling sushi, ensuring a perfect balance of flavors and textures. The techniques used in sushi preparation are nothing short of artistry. From precision knife work to the artful presentation of each piece, it's a culinary ballet. When enjoying sushi, there are a few etiquette rules to keep in mind. Use your fingers or chopsticks to pick up sushi. Dip the fish side of the sushi into soy sauce, not the rice. Eat the sushi in one bite to fully appreciate the harmony of flavors. We hope you enjoyed this culinary journey through Japan and learned more about the fascinating world of sushi. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Taste of Culture for more delicious adventures.